Angular Components Interaction Overview. In this section, we will focus more on how Angular components interact with each other. We have learned in our previous lectures what a component is and how to create them. We know that a component is basically just a directive and that components are the building blocks of an Angular application. However, we haven't had the opportunity to discuss how these building blocks talk to each other. Do you ever wonder how a component accepts an input from another component? Conversely, how do a component sends or emits an output to another component? And ultimately, how can I use and implement this component interaction to a real-world application? If you have the same questions, then good news, as this section will tackle all of that. In order for the Angular components to talk to each other, they need to use one or both of the following decorators: the @input decorator and the @output decorator. The @input decorator allows the component to accept an input from another component. On the other hand, the @output decorator allows the component to send a value to another component. We will learn the various ways of declaring these input and output properties to your components and the steps on how to use them properly. And what a better way to learn all of this is, of course, through examples. We'll make a sample stock bet application with 3 components that communicates and are passing values to each other. At the end of this section, you'll feel more confident in orchestrating the flow of data, going in and going out of each of the many components of your Angular application. Let's begin.